Ghost peppers. My terrible towel. Carolina Reapers are on that side. I ditched those tomato plants. Oh, I picked my potatoes. Guess I should have showed it, but oh well. Anyway, now I got some type of cabbage in there. I mean lettuce in there. And nothing in the front. I'm debating. Alright, so anyway, back to there's my yellow scorpion mongrel. Trinidad scorpion mongrel or mongrel, whatever. They're yellow on this side and red on that side. There's some plant, I don't have no clue what it is. It's supposed to be a Scotch bonnet yellow. There's two of them there. Anyway, I don't know, maybe it's because it's so wet. Some of the peppers are getting like the brown on them. I don't know, maybe they're a different type of pepper than what they were labeled. Alright, so some other babies coming up. Cayennes. And yes, a habanero, orange habanero. Alright, so here's my golden summer bed. They have put out a lot of fruit. There's one that'll be ready soon. Habanero bed. It's supposed to be red. They're all orange except for there's one plant right in the middle that they're giving me red ones. Lots of flowers on that cayenne. I'm going to ditch that one cayenne over there. Radishes. Green, or they're golden summers. Really been good to me. Some Scotch bonnet, I don't know what the hell it is. And then some more lettuce.